Hello guys, in this video we're going to go over the steps that we follow in order to set up the Mailjet app inside your agency and start using the workflow. So let's get started. At the level for our marketplace, you search for Mailjet, click on it, you go at install, select a sub account where you want the tool to be installed in. Let's go for sub account 1. Continue, allow and install. A new window automatically opens for you to copy the custom menu link. Copy, you make sure it's copied, and then you switch back to the agency view in order to create the custom menu link. You go at settings, custom menu, new, you start by selecting an icon, type a name, let's say Mailjet CMS. Here we paste the custom menu link URL that we copied. There you go. Scroll down, let's go for a sub account 1 and we save. Bingo. Now we'll switch to the sub account for to connect the tool. Here we are. We search for Mailjet. On it, we search Mail. There you go. As you notice, it's already connected. Click on it. This is actually the new interface. You have the comprehensive documentation. If you go at the view, it gives you the steps that you follow in order to set up the tool. The tutorials, you have the smart queue guide. That's going to help you to get all the credentials required in order to connect the tool. Here you have the video. The level of setup, you can check the status of the app. If it's not connected, you just have to go at the start setup and get a tool connected. The level of support, you can create a ticket. If you're having a problem with one of our tool, you can create a ticket, you fill the form, and then you submit. And instantly, you're notified by email that your ticket has been created and the team is working on it. You have the change log to keep you updated with all the modifications on the apps that you guys install if you feel that you don't want to receive them. So that's pretty much it, guys. If you ever have any question, feel free to reach our support team who's available 24/7 to answer to all your questions. Thank you for watching.